Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So it slides up a little bit?
Yeah, that box, it needs to be mounted down, but I ain't done it yet.
You could put the jack under it, jack it up, and it'll lift it a little. I don't know. Looks good, man. Nice. All right. Whoa! You got your wire around here?
Yeah, so alright, so the deal on it is I gotta get a radio, right?
Uh-huh.
And until then it's
temporary.
It's very, yeah.
Plug and play, it's all good, man.
Exactly.
I understand.
I'll have a radio next week though. So
it's all good. Is this the, so go ahead and tell me your name and what's in here, man.
Alright, so my name is Noah. I got 2 SA10s on American-based VFL 4800.
Okay. Nice.
It's that box I wanna say he said it was tuned to 27.
Uh-huh.
And it's a crazy setup right now.
Is it custom or prefab box?
No, it's a custom box. Like
okay.
I said, he said it was tuned to 27.
27. Nice. Did you do any kind of SPL test on it at all?
I have not.
You haven't? You got the seat down, so a little louder? Yeah. And is it at 1 ohm or 2 ohm?
It's wired at an ohm.
1 ohm, okay. Nice.
Got a few different songs.
Any extra battery alternator?
No, stock battery.
Okay.
Just 0 gauge.
Just 4800? Nice. All right.
And I don't. I got DS18s in the door, but I don't got an amp on them right now. So my vocals are horrible. It's just bass.
Good. So you gave me 3 songs. Get to see how it feels. I know it's a work in progress, but thanks for watching my videos and it's a privilege to be. You're good, man. Thank you.
Oh yeah, appreciate you.
Nice job.
Oh yeah.
You said you're eventually gonna add a stereo in here too.
Yeah. A big screen. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll help a little bit, and it'll help with the pre-out voltage on the RMS. Yeah.
I appreciate you, man.
You're welcome, man. All right. Awesome, man. Thanks for the demo. You gave me 3 songs. Get to see how it feels. I know it's a work in progress, but thanks for watching my videos and privilege to be. You're good, man. Thank you.
Oh yeah, appreciate it.
Nice job.
Oh yeah.
Good luck with the upgrades and work improvements. So you said you're eventually going to add a stereo unit too?
Yeah. A big screen. Yeah.
Yeah, that'll help a little bit, and it'll help with the pre-out voltage on the RMS. Yeah.
I appreciate you, man.
You're welcome, man.